must be honest that it doesn't feel good. And it's not because of the point, it's because of 2 penalties in a game. What usually I'll have to do to get a penalty, today 2 and free kick on this side and no free, that was harsh, very hard to accept, but obviously I have to accept it, so I will do it.
You have to acknowledge the quality of Bournemouth, congratulations to them, but as well it's too uneven to have only 2 days and to play against a team with over 3 days rest, and it took us a while to get back into the game. Top of that, we've been unlucky as well.
It was a tough game. It was a game that both teams try to compete, and it's for that we feel very proud and pleased with the performance. The performance was fantastic.